What if I told you that one of the oldest animals on Earth doesn't have a brain, a heart, or even a mouth? Meet the sponges, nature's original water filters and silent survivors of the sea. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Phylum Porifera, the simplest yet surprisingly smart animals found beneath the surface. Porifera means pore bearers, and that's exactly what they are. Their bodies are full of tiny pores called ostia that allow water to flow in. Inside, special cells called choanocytes or collar cells capture food particles like plankton and bacteria from the water. The water then exits through a larger opening called the osculum. It's a simple but efficient way of feeding, breathing, and getting rid of waste. Sponges have a kind of skeleton made of either spongin, a flexible protein, or spicules, which are tiny structural elements made of silica or calcium carbonate. They come in all shapes and sizes. Some look like tubes or vases, others form crusts over rocks, and some resemble branching trees. They can be just a few millimeters across or grow larger than a basketball. People often confuse sponges with plants or corals, but sponges are animals. They're multicellular, they don't make their own food, and their bodies are made up of specialized cells. Even without organs or tissues, they meet all the basic criteria for being classified as animals. In marine ecosystems, sponges are incredibly important. They filter huge amounts of water, trap bacteria and organic particles, and help keep their surroundings clean. They also provide homes for tiny marine creatures like shrimps, worms, and even juvenile fish. Here are a few fascinating sponge facts. They've existed for over 600 million years, making them some of the oldest animals on Earth. Some deep-sea sponges can live for thousands of years. Traditional bath sponges were made from certain marine species, and scientists are exploring sponge compounds for developing new medicines, including treatments for infections and cancer. Sponges may not move or make a sound, but they're quietly shaping the ocean in more ways than we imagine. Simple on the outside, yet deeply fascinating once you take a closer look. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this dive into marine life, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories from the natural world. Have questions or want to explore another phylum? Let me know in the comments.